It looks like there's a hawk, a falcon, a raptor of some kind. That's probably down there. It's got a mouse, rabbit, squirrel. Can't tell. Not eating, but just sitting down there. Wish I could get closer.